10 days ago, I watched this video by Marcus Campbell, who claimed that you could make $700 per day by creating a free app. So what I did, like any good internet marketer, I gave it a try. In this video, I'm going to give you my results from trying this 14-minute video. I'm going to tell you what went well, what went wrong, and if you should give it a try. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. So as I mentioned in this video, I am going to basically walk you through the process of everything that I did implementing the steps that he recommended in this video. And if you want me to test out other side hustle ideas that you see on YouTube or TikTok, reply in the comment section below with a link to the video. Regardless if it's a YouTube video or TikTok, I'll give it a try and I'll report back my results. This is a part of a weekly series that I'm implementing called I Tried It. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. What I did, as I mentioned, is I watched the video. It says that you can make $709 per day with a simple free app. What you have to do basically is you have to go out and find different opportunities, which we'll talk about in just a moment. And you're going to create basically a website and you're going to share that website either free or paid. So let's talk about what I did. In the video, he suggests that you go over to a paid keyword research tool called Ahrefs. That's exactly what I did. The next step is you go over to Keywords Explorer and you type in different keywords. And the example that I used, I typed in checklist like this and hit enter. And what I did, because I wanted to use paid ads to get results right away, is I actually, as you can see on the screen here, I typed in checklist and then I actually sorted by cost per click. And then I did 50 cents or less because I wanted to get results real quickly to see if this would work. So I clicked on show results. Now in his video, he walks you through the steps of actually setting up a website to do this. What you'll need to do is you'll need to get web hosting. I'll put a link in the description for the best web hosting provider for beginners. And then the next step is to go over to a website and get different icons. As you can see, I used flat icons, and I'm actually not going to show you the website because the last time I did this, people just stole the idea and they replicated it. Anyway, what you do is you just type in, for example, we're going to use self-care, for example. And then you would just type in something like self-care like this, or, words and phrases that resonate with self-care. So what you're going to do is you would download these different PNGs. You'd edit them a little bit with a photo editing software. In this instance, I used Affinity Photo, which I like because it's basically like Photoshop without paying monthly for Photoshop. And so you make a few edits and then you put links to the products that you are an affiliate for in the website. Okay. And so just to kind of draw this up real quick, I'm going to use a online whiteboard. All right. So basically what you would do here is you would create a web page or a website. And in that website, and this is going to be our website, for example, you are going to have the title of the checklist that you're going to create. For example, like vacation checklist. So we would have just a title up here. It says vacation checklist. Okay. And then here you're going to have 4 or 5 or 10 or 20 different icons. And these boxes are supposed to be icons with different things that they would need for vacationing. So you're going to do a little bit of research, figure out what people need for a vacation, and you're simply going to find corresponding icons. For example, let's go up here and we'll say like one of the things that you need for vacation is a suitcase like this. So we hit enter and we would download this icon to our computer, make a few changes with Affinity Photo. As you can see here, oh, maybe I spelled suitcase wrong. Let's go back here, suitcase like this, like that. There we go. And you would download this suitcase icon just like this. And then you would put it on your website. So let's say this is suitcase. Then underneath, you're going to put suitcase like this, suitcase. And then you would add affiliate links. Now for me, I have my affiliate links go to Amazon. Actually, let's undo this. And I'm just going to put money signs here. And so what would happen is people were going to come to your website or app, as he called it. They're going to click on your icons and they would go to affiliate opportunities. Now in the video, he does go into a little bit more detail about how to do it step by step, but I just want to give you an overview so that you have an idea of what I did. And again, you're going to do this for anything that you found over here with a checklist. All right. In this instance, I used Amazon, but you could use any other affiliate program. You could even sell your own digital or physical products with this. But what I decided to do is actually run paid ads to my checklist so that I could get results faster and I could create this video much faster. Okay. So one of the things is he says that it takes about an afternoon. It took me a little longer simply because I went into a little bit more depth, but you could essentially do this quicker. Now, one of the things that he recommends in his channel is to use HTML. What I'd recommend that you do instead is use WordPress, because WordPress will allow you to create this much quicker. If you don't have an HTML or coding background, it can be a little frustrating for you. My background is in software development and writing code and things of that nature, so it wasn't too much of a challenge. The first recommendation off the bat would be to use something like WordPress. You can install free WordPress themes. You could even try using something free like Google Sites, but I don't know if you're allowed to run paid ads to Google Sites. If you are doing this organic, meaning you're creating content and sending people to this page, you could probably get away with using Google Sites. But tip number one, use WordPress. It's going to make your life a lot easier. You can get this done quicker. All right. So once you do that, and for this example, we're going to say like vacation checklist. Okay. Like I said, I ran paid ads to it. I ran about $10 per day. Make sure that you include your affiliate links for all of the different whiteboards to make your life easier. If you're going to use paid ads like I did, I went over to a website called Keyword Toaster, and it allows me to create broad match, phrase match, and exact match keywords faster. And so what I did here is I just typed in vacation. I typed in vacation checklist like this. Now, the reason why you want to do it this way if you're running paid ads is because I want to find people or run ads for people that are searching vacation checklist so that my ads can show up at the top or bottom of a Google search result. Also, I want to target people that are including other words in vacation checklist. So if we go back over to Ahrefs and I type in vacation checklist, you're going to see that people are typing in other words than just vacation checklist. So as you can see here, people are typing in beach vacation checklist. So I want to potentially get those people as well. Vacation planning checklist. And I want my ads to appear potentially in front of all of these people. Now, when I run my ads, I have my ad set to, I don't want to pay more than 50 cents per click. And if we look over here, some of these are $2, $3, $4. My ads will not show up with planning a vacation checklist when the cost per click is $4. Okay. And so I finally got this website done on Saturday afternoon. I ran ads to it using ads.google.com. Now, again, I'm not going to show you that because quite frankly, people will just steal this idea instead of being creative and taking the 10 minutes to do their own work. And so I'm just going to have to talk you through it. Now, when I did my paid ads, I'm doing it $10 per day and I started Saturday afternoon. It is now Tuesday. Okay. So again, let's talk about some things that went right. This is a really easy thing to set up. Okay. If you're already an affiliate for Amazon or Best Buy or Walmart, you can get this set up in probably a few hours. You will need web hosting. So you'll need to go out and you'll need to get either you'll either need to get Bluehost or an equivalent. I'll put a link in the description. It'll be the second link to my favorite web hosting platform. It's real simple, real easy to get set up. The one thing that I did not like, as I mentioned in the video so far, is that he recommends using HTML. Now he does give you a template, but you've got to sign up for his email marketing software. You have to sign up to his email marketing software. And it is what it is. This again is a real simple and easy process that you can get knocked out right away. You can do this for free if you are getting traffic or you plan to go out and get traffic. So one thing that you could do is if you have a TikTok account already set up, you could actually create something like this, real simple, real easy, and you could drive traffic from TikTok to your landing page. You could do the same thing with YouTube Shorts or your YouTube long form content. This does not take long to get up and running. You have to decide, are you going to use free traffic or paid traffic? If you're using free traffic, if you already have a following, make sure that the different things that you find for your checklist are congruent. For example, I talk to people about affiliate marketing and making money online. my audience would not be interested in a vacation checklist because I never talk about vacationing. Okay. And so make sure that if you're using free traffic, you are setting this up so that it is congruent with your target audience, what they want and what they need. If you're using paid traffic, you can set this up with anything, about anything, because you're going out and you're creating that demand. We want to make sure that you have a website that is general enough so that it can net a wide group of people. Now, what I intend to do in full transparency is I intend to do this checklist thing with multiple different niches. So as you can see here, people are looking up all sorts of stuff. Backpacker checklist, backpacking checklist. Now I could put together a quick list of 10 or 15 things that people need for their backpack. First apartment checklist. Now, the interesting thing and what I did here is I may not know what to include in a first apartment checklist, but there are people that have done that work. So we can go out and do a little bit of research, apartment essentials, and we can find 5 things that they need for their first apartment. And then we can once again come back over here to flat icon, find those icons, and then put them on a website. So again, we can do, for example, we could put together 10 things that they need for kitchenware and then more for cleaning supplies and make those affiliate links right to different offers that you find on Amazon or Target. Furniture, you could even do Wayfair. They have an affiliate program, food, all sorts of stuff that you could do. And this is a real simple process. And if we look at this, the cost per click is $2.50. If we wanted to, once again, we can change the cost per click to 50 cents or less. That is the maximum that we're willing to pay for someone to click on our website. So again, real simple, real easy. Don't want to keep talking about it. Taco bar checklist, interesting. So now that we've talked about that, let's talk about how much money I've made and maybe why I've made that amount of money. Now again, in this video, he claims that you can make $709 per day with the app. To date, I have made $1.50. I've spent $10. I've spent probably about 4 hours of my time. I spent $10 per day, so it'll be $30 by the end of today. And I've made so far $1.50. Now let's talk about some reasons why I probably have only earned $1.50. One, my app, my website could be better. Probably could be much better. I could collect emails if I want to do that. I'm not interested in this niche's emails. 2, I could find better affiliate programs. I'm using Amazon for this because I just want to get it up and running and see how it goes. But I could actually go find better affiliate programs that pay a little bit more. I could do a bit more research there. Number 3, I could probably make the website better. Again, the website just has the icons on it. People are clicking on the website and maybe they're leaving right away. Again, that goes back to me maybe collecting emails. But does this work? Okay, for most people with affiliate marketing, they have problems getting traffic. And the question is always, I can't get traffic. I don't know how to get traffic. If you set this up correctly, if you look at this checklist and you obviously sort by cost per click, look at the self-care checklist is 4 cents cost per click, and gets 2,000 searches per month. If you set this up correctly, you will get clicks to your website. If you use ads.google.com, and oh, by the way, if you start a brand new ads.google.com account, they'll give you up to $500. Look at this, free credit up to $500, but you've got to spend $500 to get the free credit. So you could actually test around, play with different checklist ideas to get one that works. So one down here, Thanksgiving checklist, we could actually do that as well, 3 cents a click, and that's going to be popular up until Thanksgiving. So will I try this again? Yes, definitely. In fact, this weekend, this Saturday, I'm going to do this again with the different checklists that I see on here. Like I said, travel checklist is one, travel packing checklist. So maybe we could go out and find different small bottles, small shampoo bottles from Amazon or Target, and we could refer those. But this is a really good opportunity. Okay, right now I haven't made any money. I've lost $27.50, but I think that this will work if you play around with it a little bit. I could make a better a better website, like I mentioned. There's other things that I can do as well. Again, if you want me to test other side hustle ideas, just comment down below and I'd be happy to give those a test as well. Watch this video next because YouTube tells you to. YouTube says it will help you get to where you want to go. So go ahead and watch this one next.